Welcome back to the Healthy Springs, the place where we discover simple, natural ways to keep your body strong, your mind light, and your golden years truly golden. Today we're talking about something that affects millions of active seniors right here in America, especially those of you who still love your daily walks, gentle exercise classes at the community center, chair yoga, or just staying busy in the garden. We're going to show you how 5 everyday foods you probably already have in your kitchen, can help your muscles recover faster, ease that nagging soreness after activity, and keep your joints moving smoothly so you can stay active and independent. As we get older, inflammation in the body tends to run a little hotter than it did when we were younger. Our muscles lose some of their bounce, and it's very common to feel stiff knees, achy shoulders, tight calves, or that dull lower back ache after a day of housework or a longer than usual walk. But here's the good news. You can calm that inflammation and speed up recovery with foods you already know and love. Think of your body as a wonderful machine that's been running beautifully for decades. To keep it running smoothly, we just need to give it the right fuel. Natural, powerful, anti-inflammatory fuel. Foods like turmeric, ginger, salmon, berries, and extra virgin olive oil aren't just groceries. They're nature's medicine, backed by decades of American research, and they work wonderfully for people in their 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond. If you're over 60 and you wake up stiff, or your knees complain after climbing stairs, or your muscles stay sore for days after a little yard work, don't click away, because the science-backed way to recover faster and move easier is not in your medicine cabinet. It's sitting right inside your kitchen, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do with it. Today, I'm revealing the 5 anti-inflammatory warriors that top doctors and researchers at major U.S. universities keep coming back to. These 5 foods have been shown to quiet chronic inflammation, soothe achy joints, and help your muscles bounce back faster, all from the inside out. We're talking turmeric, salmon, and 3 other superstars that are probably hiding in your pantry or freezer right now. Stick with me to the end because you won't want to miss the olive oil secret that works almost like natural ibuprofen. Before we dive in, I want you to know this isn't just a grocery list. I'm going to explain exactly how each food works inside your body, why it's especially powerful after age 60, and, most importantly, the easiest, tastiest ways to use them every single day, whether you cook from scratch or prefer quick and simple meals. Studies from top American institutions show that the older we get, the longer it takes our muscles to recover after normal activity. That's why so many seniors feel sore for days after a walk or a gentle exercise class. But when you give your body the right nutrients, especially curcumin, gingerol, omega-3s, and polyphenols, recovery can happen much faster and with a lot less discomfort. Let's start with the golden champion that's taken America by storm, turmeric. Turmeric has become one of the most popular supplements in the country. You see it everywhere from Walgreens to Costco, and for very good reason. Hundreds of U.S. studies have shown that its active compound, curcumin, is one of nature's most powerful inflammation fighters. As we age, low-grade inflammation can quietly build up in the body. You might not notice it at first, but that subtle knee ache when you stand up, the shoulder stiffness in the morning, or the lower back tightness after gardening, those are all signs that inflammation is at work. Curcumin goes straight to the molecules that trigger that inflammation and helps turn them down, so your joints feel looser and your muscles feel softer after activity. Many seniors love curcumin capsules because they're convenient. Just look for turmeric curcumin with black pepper or piperine on the label. The pepper helps your body absorb it up to 20 times better. But you can also get fantastic results from the spice itself. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to scrambled eggs, stir it into chicken soup, or mix it with a little honey and warm water for a soothing drink. And of course, there's the famous golden milk that's become a bedtime favorite across the country. Warm milk, or almond milk, turmeric, cinnamon, a touch of honey, and a pinch of black pepper. It relaxes your muscles and helps you sleep deeper. And deeper sleep means even faster muscle repair. Turmeric won't work overnight, but when you use it consistently, most people notice less morning stiffness and quicker recovery in just a couple of weeks. It's truly a lifelong friend for active seniors. Next up is everyone's favorite fragrant kitchen hero, ginger. If turmeric works quietly behind the scenes, ginger is the fast-acting friend that brings almost instant warmth and relief. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerol and shogal that calm inflammation and ease muscle and joint soreness, sometimes in as little as a few hours. Here's a simple way to think about it. Your body is like a beautiful old house. After decades of love and use, the pipes, your joints, can get a little rusty, and the load-bearing beams, your muscles, can creak after heavier work. Over-the-counter pain relievers can help, but many seniors worry about stomach side effects with long-term use. Ginger gives you that same soothing relief with virtually no downside when used as food. Fresh ginger is wonderful for digestion and nausea, but for muscle and joint pain, dried or cooked ginger is actually stronger because heat turns gingerol into even more potent shogal. That means a hot cup of ginger tea made from dried ginger powder or a strong ginger tea at night works wonders for next-day soreness. 3 ways ginger helps seniors the most. 1. It cuts down delayed onset muscle soreness. That ache you feel 1 or 2 days after activity. Studies show ginger can shorten recovery time and reduce pain intensity so you can keep moving instead of sitting out. 2. It eases morning joint stiffness and improves flexibility. Perfect for anyone who feels locked up when they first get out of bed. 3. It supports healthy digestion, which means all the other anti-inflammatory foods you eat get absorbed better. Super simple ways to use it every day. A daily ginger tea. Just 1 teaspoon dried ginger in hot water. A warming golden milk with both turmeric and ginger before bed. A quick morning ginger lemon shot with a pinch of black pepper to kickstart the day. And if you don't love the taste, ginger capsules standardized to 5% gingerol are widely available and very effective. Important safety note. Ginger has mild blood-thinning properties. If you take prescription blood thinners like warfarin, Coumadin, or Plavix, please talk to your doctor before using high-dose ginger supplements. Using it as a spice in food is usually fine for almost everyone. Now let's talk about the king of healthy fats. Wild or farm salmon and its superstar nutrient, omega-3s. Most people think omega-3s are just for heart health, and they are amazing for the heart. But they do something even more powerful for active seniors. They literally rebuild your cells to be less inflammatory from the ground up. Every cell in your muscles and joints is surrounded by a fatty membrane. If that membrane is built mostly from processed vegetable oils, corn oil, soybean oil, etc., it sends out strong inflammatory signals whenever you move. When you eat salmon or other omega-3 rich fish, the EPA and DHA actually replace those pro-inflammatory fats, so your cells become naturally calmer. Less inflammation, so faster recovery, less soreness, and happier joints. The American Heart Association recommends at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Salmon is the gold standard, easy to find fresh or frozen at Costco, Sam's Club, or Costco. Bake it, grill it, or pan-sear it with a little olive oil and lemon. Budget-friendly alternatives that are just as powerful. Canned sardines or mackerel tossed into a salad. If you don't love fish, look for high-quality fish oil or krill oil supplements with at least 1,000–2,000 milligallons combined EPA plus DHA per day, and always choose brands that are third-party tested for purity. Same safety reminder as ginger. High-dose omega-3s can thin the blood a little, so if you're on blood thinners or preparing for surgery, check with your doctor first. Number 4 is nature's cleanup crew, berries. Especially blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Every time you move, even just a nice walk, your body produces free radicals. Think of them as tiny sparks that can damage muscle cells and slow recovery if they're not cleaned up quickly. The antioxidants in berries, especially anthocyanins, swoop in like a professional cleanup crew and neutralize those sparks so your muscles can repair themselves faster and you feel less fatigued. Just 1 cup of mixed berries a day, fresh or frozen is actually just as good and much cheaper, makes a noticeable difference in how fast you feel the next day. Toss them on oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or layer them with Greek yogurt for a delicious breakfast or snack. And as a bonus, those same antioxidants keep your blood vessels flexible and support sharp memory. A true body and brain food. Finally, the 5th warrior, The liquid gold of the Mediterranean diet that American doctors can't stop recommending, extra virgin olive oil or EVO. EVOO contains a unique compound called oleocanthal that acts almost exactly like ibuprofen, but naturally and gently, day after day. When you see that little peppery tingle in the back of your throat when you taste really good olive oil, that's the oleocanthal working. Use EVOO every single day. Drizzle it on salads, roasted veggies, or cooked fish, and you're giving your joints a daily dose of natural joint protection. It also helps your body absorb all the other anti-inflammatory compounds we've talked about today. Look for extra virgin in dark glass bottles with a recent harvest date and store it away from heat and light. So here's your simple daily plan. No complicated diet needed. Breakfast: oatmeal or a smoothie with a big handful of berries and a pinch of ginger. Lunch and dinner: include salmon or sardines twice a week and use extra virgin olive oil on everything. Evening: a warm cup of golden milk with turmeric, ginger, and a touch of black pepper. And never forget the most powerful recovery tool of all: good, deep sleep. Even one poor night can raise inflammation the next day. Aim for 7 to 8 hours, turn off screens 30 minutes before bed, and let that golden milk be part of your wind-down ritual. You don't have to be perfect. Just aim for 3 of these 5 foods most days, and within a week or 2, you'll likely notice you're moving easier, waking up looser, and recovering faster. The power to feel younger and move better isn't in expensive pills. It's right in your kitchen. You deserve to walk the park with your grandkids, tend your garden, play a round of golf, or dance at your granddaughter's wedding without pain holding you back. If you're ready to feel the difference in just a few weeks, type "I'm ready to recover" in the comments below. Let's do this together. If this video helped you, please hit that subscribe button and the bell so you never miss a tip. And share this with a friend or family member who's tired of waking up stiff. You might just change their life. Thank you for spending this time with me at the Healthy Springs. Here's to staying strong, staying active, and enjoying every beautiful day ahead. We'll see you in the next video.